everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking. My name is Heather, and today we are going to make a 2-ingredient dessert. All we need is some cinnamon rolls and some pie filling. I've seen it being shared all over the internet, so I thought, heck, why not do it? This is the Pampered Chef brownie pan. It's really cool. It has square wells in it, and that's what we're going to use today. I did get a second one out because I actually bought 2 things of cinnamon rolls, but I decided I'll save the other one for another day. Gotta watch those pounds. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to grease our pan. I actually don't even have a recipe for this. I just saw it on the internet. Also, I am using a new camera today, so let me know what you think about the new camera. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or not yet. So yeah, let me know. Okay, how on earth do you get? It's been years since I've had. Okay, there we go. Okay. Waiting for it to pop. Pop. All right. So, according to the internet, you just take one of these already made, pre-made cinnamon rolls and you flatten them into squares or discs or whatever, and you push them into the wells here. Now, this only has 8, so I am not sure yet how my OCD is going to work with this. There are more than 8 wells here. There are actually 12, so we're gonna do our best. So yep, we're just gonna do this to all of the wells. I think that you could probably use any pie filling you wanted with the cinnamon rolls. Apple obviously is the more obvious choice because you're using cinnamon, and cinnamon and apple are a pairing all of themselves. So some other ideas. Oh, there's icing in here. Take that out before it spills all over. The other things that you probably use are raspberry and cherry. Probably anything. I don't know that I'd use the lemon curd pie filling. That might be weird. So you never know. It might be good. It's very weird. There's a few really hard chunks in this dough. It's very strange. Uh-oh. My OCD. I don't know how we're gonna deal with that. Where will we put the additional 2? Maybe we won't put them in. Nah, it's fine. I'm not that OCD. Uh-oh. I think I might have put that one upside down, because the rest of them have cinnamon on the top. Oh, that's okay. Maybe it won't matter. I don't know, since I'm not reading directions, I'm merely just going by the picture. I did Google it a little bit. There are other recipes similar out there. All right, I guess that's it. Now we are going to open up our pie filling. I think this is the smooth edge can opener from Pampered Chef. Super amazing. Tastes good. All right. Now I will use one of our mix and scrapers here. Ooh. Those are big pieces of apple. Let's cut them. Otherwise, we're gonna have some huge chunks of apple in there. And that's like half of an apple sitting on top of there. might be fine, but I don't know. First time. Okay. That noise, by the way, means my oven is ready and at temp. So we'll get these in there. Yeah. It'll be delicious. We'll see. This could be a massive mess up. Could be the internet punking us. I don't know. We'll find out. Looks delicious. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be apple pie. So little mini apple pies. I can handle that. All right, we're gonna put this into the oven for anywhere from 13 to 35 minutes. I will check it after 13 minutes and then I'll add 5 minutes and then I'll let you know exactly how long it took in just a moment. All right, we'll be back.
Time is up. Time to taste.
Okay, they are out of the oven and they took about 18 minutes. So not bad, not bad. And they look superb. Do you see that? Don't they look cute? Smell super good too. They might be just a tad browner than I thought they were getting. I just didn't want them to be undercooked. So I may try a little bit less time next time. But now to figure out how to get the drizzle on. Suppose I'll just use a knife. Well, not very drizzly.
I don't want it.
Just dot it up just a tiny bit. Half and half to save the day. There we go. Now we got some drizzly. Alright, so I'm just gonna kind of drizzle it over. I think you could probably heat this in the microwave or something to make it really pourable. But, yeah, that's okay. Alright. I'm gonna save that because I'm sure someone will want more icing than I put on. And then I will go ahead and try one. I'm really taking a risk here trying one for you because I am gluten-free and these are not gluten-free. But taking one for the team. Oh dang, you guys. That's cool. That was so easy and this looks so awesome. If you were to let these cool completely and then put the icing on, you know, drizzle it the same way, but not, you know, obviously they're warm still, they would look fantastic. I mean, they don't look bad now. They just look like a melted mess at the moment, but that is good. And with another filling, I'm not a super fan of apple. I don't know if I said that. With another filling, I bet you it would be even better for me. Like with a berry filling. Oh. Well, that worked. You should try it. I would definitely take them out between minutes 13 to 15. Well, obviously depending on your oven, but I will take them out between 13 and 15 next time. They stayed in for 18 minutes here and they're a little overdone, but not enough for me to not like them. They're good. That's worth it. All right, there you have it. 2-ingredient dessert, super easy, super fun, super delicious, and looks beautiful. Looks like you spent a million years on it. Bring it to your next potluck when we can go out again, when the shelter in place is over, when we can leave our house. All right, you guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I do videos at least twice a week, if not more. And I'm always looking for the next adventure. Sometimes it's gluten-free, sometimes it's not, but it's always fun. So I hope you'll join me. All right, you guys, we'll see you later.